Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis. On Pound USD, guys, yesterday we were selling this and we hit our target. So guys, what are we going to do today? That is the question, guys. In my opinion, for further continuation, guys, we need to break below the current support area, which is located at 1.34477. Okay, guys. And if we are unable to break below this, guys, I think we will be having a bit of a correction, and my correctional target would be 1.34851. Guys, my next target would be 1.35025. But be careful, guys. We haven't had that correction yet. Correction price action for correction on the euro. We've got a little bit of uh, price action for the correction like this here. Obviously, you can see it on the 15 minutes, turning this support resistance area into support here. So you can call it initial correction action. Okay, guys. But on the pound, unfortunately, guys, we haven't got that. So I'm just basing it off my gut. And guys, anyways, if you break below 1.34447, guys, we will be seeing 1.3420, which is the next support area. So take care, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.